Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be looking at the drive chain slack and adjustments on this 2007 Triumph Sprint ST 1050. You will only need a couple of tools to perform this task, which are a ruler or tape measure, a C-spanner of the correct size. I have included a link in the video description below of the one I have purchased, a 17mm socket and ratchet, and if you have one, a torque wrench. Now, with this type of motorcycle having a single-sided swing arm, it uses what's known as an eccentric chain adjuster, labelled number 3 here in the diagram. Labelled number 2 is the swing arm eccentric adjuster pinch bolt, and number 1 is an illustration of where to place the C-spanner, which is directly behind the rear sprocket and drive chain. Here is an image from the rear of the motorcycle showing the adjuster. Although it is dirty, hopefully you can still make it out. By using this type of adjustment, it makes adjusting the chain an easy task and avoids having to deal with aligning your rear wheel afterwards, like with the conventional way most motorcycles have. Now on to checking for chain slack. Put the motorcycle on its stand, then rotate your rear wheel to find the position that has the least amount of slack, if any. It is important to note that the measurement should be taken from the midway point between the front and rear sprockets, as shown in this diagram here. If correct, the vertical movement of the drive chain should be between 35 to 40 millimeters. If you need to adjust the chain tension, first we need to loosen off the 17mm pinch bolt. Then locate your C-spanner onto the eccentric adjuster. To tighten the chain, we need to place the C-spanner onto the adjuster from below facing upwards, as can be seen here. Then rotate the adjuster in an anti-clockwise direction. And if you want to slacken the chain, we need to place the C-spanner from above and facing downwards, as can be seen here. Then we need to rotate the adjuster in a clockwise direction. Measure the amount of slack, and if necessary, keep adjusting until the measurement is within the specified tolerance. Once you are happy, all that's left to do is torque the pinch bolt back up to 55 Newton meters, or approximately 40 pound-foot, and that's the job complete. Although while you are there, now is a good time to inspect the chain for any excessive wear or damage, and to clean and lubricate the drive chain if required. I hope this video has been of use to you. If you liked, enjoyed or found it informative, I would really appreciate it if you could take the time to like the video, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. As a small channel, every like and subscribe really does help me out. Thanks for watching and ride safe.